Hi, today I want to speak with you about your scripting program customization. In last tutorial I was speaking about adding some templates for Mono to develop or Visual Studio. Today I want to speak to you with, about the color coding and some extra tools for your program, especially for Visual Studio. As you see, my Visual Studio is not color normal because if you go to Tools, Options, that's it. Fonts and colors, okay? So Tools, Options, Environment, Font and Colors. You have lots of code that you can specify color for. The ones that I choose is for line numbering, plain text, and bookmark, of course, brace, breakpoint, and comment. Then attribute name, value, comment, and identifier, keyword. For example, if I set the keyword to something like yellow and okay, then you see each keyword that is using is changing to yellow. I want them to be red, so where was it? Keyword. Back to something like magenta, maybe. Yeah, it's better because my text is red. And here is 3 add-ons that I added to Visual Studio. You can find them in Visual Studio Gallery, MSD, and Microsoft.com. And if you search here in Gallery, you can choose your version of Visual Studio. Mine is 2008. Oops, sorry. Well, my internet is offline for now. Okay. There are some tools here. Resharper, it's tutorial version, and you must pay it. The nice thing about Resharper is that when you put an open parentheses like this, it will put the close parentheses for you automatically, or for brackets, or etc. Personally, I don't think that it's worth it for about $150. No, I don't want it. The other one is autocomplete, autocode. Autocode is something like this. A window will pop up with some shortcuts, and you'll type here and it will create the code for you. For example, if you want to add a property here, you need to just hit Control Enter. Then if you hit P, you can see that it's saying property, but when you want to write the code here, it's saying that, hey, if you want to use it, here's the format. So use the type, the name, and P. Okay, I want type of item, and it's test variable, and it's property. Then hitting enter, bingo. It puts all the code here for me. So it's public item test, the getter, and the setter. Okay? And it's fast, it's easy to use. Personally, I don't like this magenta code, but leave it for now. Okay, the next add-on I'm using is sticky notes. Here I can add as many nodes as I want for future use if I have an incomplete script. Okay, So when I'm saving my script and opening it the next day, I can come and take a look. Oh, I have this job to do with the script, and it's fast and easy way to remind things. The next add-on I'm using called Word Highlight. Of course, that was the one that had problem with my internet. But Word Highlight is just like an internal search online. I mean, just select the code and bingo, you'll have all the codes that's using the same key highlighted. For example, if I select the target here is highlighted and no one else. So for example, let's see, call a script. Here you are. Everywhere that you are using a script, it will be highlighted, and it's like just hitting the Control F to find and say, okay, find next, find next, find next, and move on in your code. I like it very much because it's just needing me to highlight some text, and it will show me everywhere that code is used. And that's it for Visual Studio. I'll show you how to create the same color palette for MonoDevelop later on. Attached to this video tutorial, there is an XML file. You need to download it and open it in some text editor, just like your Notepad++ I'm using. It's a color scheme for MonoDevelop. Name your scheme as you want and give it a description. Okay. Now there are three sections in this file. The first section is your customized palette. The next section is your normal environment of MonoDevelop, and the last section is highlighted style. You save this file anywhere you want, and then go to MonoDevelop, go to Tools, Preferences, Syntax Highlight. Then add that file that you are using, or sorry, creating, and choose it and set OK. And bingo, you have your color coding everywhere. And I found something about my color code that I didn't like, and that was when I'm searching something like, let's say, load. As you see, it's highlighted cyan and the text is white. I don't like it. So I'm going back to my Notepad++ and try to find the cyan code. And if you see, it's the same as the highlight code in Visual Studio. So everywhere I'm using cyan, it will choose it. But that's not the case. So where was it? Let's see. I have white color on midnight blue background. It's the normal text. And cyan, the search result here is cyan, and the color is still white. Okay. So is there any other place? Text link is cyan. It's not the case. Background color was cyan, I think. Or was it cartridge? Let me see. Where is the color cartridge? The dark background. Highlighted comment is cartridge, but nowhere else. Okay, let's see. If I change this cyan to let's say cartoons, just to test it. Okay, I save it, but the annoying thing about MonoDevelop is when you are changing your template, it won't update automatically. So you need to remove it, choose one other color template, and say OK. Then go back and select it again, adding it and choosing it and saying OK. So yeah, that's the case because now it's colored cartoons. So I just need to add one more color sham. So I just copy it and paste it. Name it like what I want. For example, fine text. And let's see, this is red. It's okay, I want it red. This is blue. And that's the case, that's coloring it magenta. Let's add a little more green. And I just select this color and use it here. This is going back and forth, and you need just to again delete your previous one and choose a default one, and again adding it. This is because mono behavior will copy your settings to a default place in the... Yeah, it's much better now. Okay, I like it. To a place on your hard drive that's separated from your main color scheme that you are developing, and because of that you need to go on and delete it and reopen it and re-add it. So this way you can color code your scripts. Something that I found in a forum was that a guy asked that his codes are not coloring properly. Means that, okay, here is vital, it's a type and it should be color coded. Or if you type here, for example, a game object, okay, it's just don't show in correct color. The thing is, you must go to Tools, Preferences, Highlighting Syntax, and check this property, enable semantic highlighting, and by adding it, you can see that game object is now color corrected, okay? Or I should say color coded. Okay, that's the case. I personally prefer dark backgrounds with lighter colors on foreground because it helps your eyes. And that was all the thing I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. Have fun. Goodbye.